Hi, here's Annette. I'm here in nature in the morning. The birds are singing a lot. And I am just here to be there. I am just here in nature just to be, to feel alive where I am. Very often we think about what we have to do here and then, and what's the next task and what's following. But just to be has a huge other kind of quality. Just to be here without even wanting to perceive in a special intense way. No, just to be. The next time when you are in nature, I invite you just to be there. Just be in presence in nature. The sounds of the birds, the beautiful singing of the birds will take its own place within yourself. And you just be there. You do not have to do something. It just happens itself. When you just be where you are, not hanging around with your thoughts, when you just be where you are, you arrive there. And the little water drops in the sky let me feel protected. It is like a scenery in which the birds are giving the Sunday concert to me. When you just be where you are, without any goal, just to be there, breathe in and out and just be where you are. Then you can perceive the magic of life. That is already there, that is always there. We just have to become aware of it. And we have to remind ourselves, here and then, yes, that's the way we are. We often tend to hang around with our thoughts. But hanging around with our beingness has a totally other quality. And it is worth every while to discover it and to be there. See you soon.